Hi dear, in this video I want to share some benefits of online business, how you can do some changes to your website and start getting client. From the first day, step by step, you will see by the end of the month you have thousands of clients only from the Google search result page. Just watch this video with full focus till the end. I want to share some tips and benefit with you. First, you have Google My Business listing on Google Maps. I know this, you are also the smart guy. You know the importance of testimonial and reviews. Second, this is important to have Google My Business listing because it's the first step in the attracting clients from the Google. Third, now it is essential to start daily posting on Google My Business listing because it's also important to factor to rank on Google. Fourth, create social media handles like Insta, Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp because your potential clients also use many social media. Fifth, use multiple online listing platforms like Google Maps, Yelp, Bing Palace, Facebook Marketplace, etc. Sixth, this is very important tips I saw on your website. I got some faults like your website design and copywriting, not presenting your service and product creatively and attractively. Sorry, but it is true. Don't be sad and don't worry about this. I will give you the solution in this video. Just watch this video till the end. Seventh, all your competitor in your business use advertising to rank on Google and attract new clients. It is a must-have thing nowadays. Like if you want to run your business evergreen, it must be up to date. Do one simple Google search. For example, your business is coffee shop. Then search on Google like this, coffee shop in New York. You will get some results. On the top, you see some Google search ads. You know, as a human, you only click on top websites. If you searching for any kind of service, you only click upper websites. Same your potential customer do like this, search every day and the visit on your competitor's website. You can look once your competitor website design, what tips and trick do they use. Okay, now I hope you understand all things. If you have any kind of question and query, you can ask me in WhatsApp call. I will explain to you everything. My motive is helping people like you because the local business owner doesn't know how to rank on Google and start getting a client from Google search result. Currently everything is changed and become digitally, like we do shopping online on Amazon, we order food online, everything become online. It is time to do little few changes to your website to start gaining new clients. Have a nice success in your local business. Thanks for watching. I hope it's helped you a lot. I wish you are curious now to talk with me. Bro, I am waiting for you on WhatsApp. WhatsApp call link below to click and join this human helping community. Thanks again. See you soon on WhatsApp. I'm waiting really for you. Don't miss this WhatsApp call. Thanks.